Hello everyone. In last session, we discussed about opportunities and challenges as well as functions of retailing. In this session, we are going to study major type of retail stores. Types of retail stores. This is important concept. Major type of retail stores. Let's begin. There is no universally accepted method of classifying retailer. Various schemes have been proposed to categorize retailers based on number of outlets, margin versus turnover, that is profit margin versus turnover, location and size. On these basis, the retail shops or retail stores are classified. Okay, because of overlap of classification criteria, some stores may qualify as under two different categories. They are: one is general merchandise retailer. Okay, general merchandise retailer. General merchandise retailer carry a variety of product lines with considerable depth. Some major type of these stores include, that is, supermarkets and hypermarkets, discount stores and department stores. Okay, these comes under general merchandise retailer. Okay, let's start supermarket. Okay, a supermarket is a large self-service retail store that carries a wide variety of consumer products under one roof. See, all variety of products, plenty of products, mixture of various products which is available at one location or one roof. That is nothing but supermarket. Okay, such a complete line of food lines, food products, laundry requirements, household maintenance items. In India, cooperative have managed some supermarkets for quite some time, like Super Bazaar, or we can say Big Bazaar, right? Then Apna Bazaar, Shakari Bandar, Super Bazaar in Delhi. All these are example for supermarket, right? Then next one is discount store. Second one, discount store. These stores are self-service, standard general merchandise retailers, regularly offering brand name and private brand items at low price, earn lower margins and push for high sales turnover. The characteristics of true discount stores include selling products at discounted price, carry standard international, national or store brand to build image, self-service stores to minimize operational costs, preferred store location are low rent areas. See, now what is discount store? These stores are self-service standard general merchandise retailers regularly offering brand name and private brand items at low price. See, here you get, in discount store you get the branded products at a lower price. Okay, because they keep low margin as a profit. Okay, then they push for high sales. Their target is to increase the sales revenue by keeping low profit margin. Okay, the characteristics of true discount stores include selling products at a discounted price, that is the main feature, carry standard international, national or store brand to build image. In order to improve the image or build the image, they maintain and they sell only standard products. Okay, international level standard products or national level products, standard products. Okay, then self-service stores to minimize operational cost. Okay, usually self-service stores. Then preferred store location are low rent areas. Okay, these supermarkets are located at low rent areas. Like best known discount store is Walmart. Okay, Walmart is the example, or we can say Big Bazaar or Spar or City Center. Okay, all these are the examples. Next is department store. Now, what is department store? A department store is larger retail store organized into several departments offering a broad variety and depth of product lines. The product mix may include food products, appliances, clothing, furnishing, and other household goods. See, department store. A department store is a larger retail store organized into several departments, offering a broad variety and depth of product lines. See, a department store is a retail store organized into several departments, and each department which is categorized with the special particular category of products or product lines. The product mix may include food products, appliances. See, in department store, what are the things available? Food products, appliances, there is clothing, furnishing, and other household goods. Right? Example: pantaloons, shopper's stop. Okay. Department store only for kids is called Kids Camp. Fashion related department stores in India are Ebony, Globus, Pantaloons, Lifestyle, right? These are the, or Max, you can say Max. These are the example for department stores. Next is specialty stores. Now, what is specialty stores? Specialty stores carry a narrow product mix with the depth of assortment within the line. See, specialty stores carry a narrow product mix with depth of assortment within the line. The emphasis is on a limited number of complementary products and high level of customer service. Okay, see, the emphasis on a limited number of complementary products and high level of customer service. Specialty store often sells shopping goods such as jewelry, apparel, computers, music systems, sporting goods, etc. Like, say, example, Tanishka, Titan watches, Van Heusen store, or Raymond's shop, right, or store. These are the example for specialty stores. Next is shopping malls. You already know what is shopping mall. Shopping malls typically deal with several bases and product categories and provide a large variety of merchandise services. There are 96 operational malls. Now it is more than that. There are more than 120 operational malls in India and expected to grow 158 by this current year. Actually, this is the old information. Okay, it's more than 150. Okay, this is about shopping malls. Then next is retail chains. A retail chain operates multiple retail outlets under common ownership in different cities and towns. Best example: McDonald, Globus or Food World, then petrol outlets, etc. These are the example for retail chains. In the sense, a retail chain operates multiple retail outlets under common ownership in different cities and towns. This owner is same, but he is going to operate the same business in different cities or towns. That is retail chains. Clear? To some extent, the purchasing function and decision making are coordinated or centralized. Okay, this is about retail chain. Okay, this is about different types of retail stores. Major types of retail stores. One, that is supermarket, then discount store, then department store, specialty stores, shopping malls, retail chains. Hope you understood. It's very easy topic, and that topic is very important as far as exam point of view. Okay, even this particular topic is well, retailing in India. Okay, that we deal in next session. Hope you understood the types of retail stores. In case of any doubts, you can clear your doubts. Thank you.